International Jack. Yeah, bagus Jack. So now it's more funny. Bagus. Ganteng. Apa kabar guys? And today I've got to get a shave, guys. I'm gonna look ganteng. But today we are in Padang, Indonesia. Saya di sini 2 bulan di sini for 2 months already. So I've got to get a haircut. I've got to get a haircut. I got to get my beard shaved. Because I'm trying to find some unis, guys. I'm trying to find some uni. Because I want an istriku di sini Padang. But yeah, guys. And so here it's been crazy stormy. Crazy. It's rainy here, guys. The floods have been insane. But this is the canal here, guys. Let's go get this haircut so I can look up some more ganteng for you guys, alright? Let's go talk to the guy in here. Let's go get a haircut and talk to Jack. This guy is so cool, so nice, and a character, guys. This dude's a superstar. Hey, apa kabar? Hey, apa kabar, uni? Oh, some unis. Alright, guys. So here it's time for Jack. This is Pangkas Rambut at Nusantara Jack's barbershop, guys. Hello, Jack. Oh, apa kabar, Jack? Apa kabar? So look at him. He looks like a superstar, right? He looks like a superstar. Jack, the superstar from Padang. Alright, so kamu suku apa?
Suku Jamba.
Suku Jamba. Saya suku Jamba orang Jawa juga. Oh, kita saudara.
Iya, saudara.
Yeah, bagus. Alright, Jack. Let's go. Ayo pergi gaspol, Jack. Yeah. This is one of my favorite barbers in all of Padang, guys, Mr. Jack. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Alright, Jack. So Jack, so kamu berapa kerja di sini? Kerja di sini?
Udah 15 tahun.
So 15 tahun.
Udah lama, paling lama di sini.
Wow, it's 15 tahun.
Yeah.
So 15 years he's been here. Then also like 8 delapan tahun di Jakarta too, yeah?
Jakarta dulu lama juga.
Wow, so
8 tahun di Jakarta.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So in total, he has been a barber for over 25 years. Dua lima tahun, ya?
Iya, 25 tahun.
Wow, bagus. Saya mau, ini like
kayak kemarin.
Yeah. Sama-sama dan ini habis. Ini, ya, bagus. So kamu siapa nama Jack, ya?
Jack Barbershop.
Jack Daniel's Barbershop.
Yeah.
Jack Daniel's Barbershop. Yeah. And so kamu berapa umurmu?
Udah 47.
Hah?
47.
47. 47. Whoa, you look like kamu lihat 37.
Yeah, thank you.
Kamu ganteng.
Yeah. Sering makan rendang.
Yes, makan rendang setiap hari.
Yeah.
And then kamu siapa nama?
Iya, tuh siapa nama?
Aaron.
Yeah.
Wow, Aaron. Senang bertemu dengan Anda, Aaron. So kamu dari mana?
Dari Solo.
Solo
Selatan.
Oh, bagus. So kamu orang Jawa suku Jamba apa? Suku apa?
Tianyir.
Tianyir. Oh,
Tianyir.
Bagus. Saya udah Bule suku Jamba.
Suku Jamba, ya.
Yeah.
Sama Jack, ya.
Yeah, sama-sama. Yeah, Jack as berhenti the hujan. But yeah, we're gonna get a good haircut.
Mari Pak.
So I can look ganteng for you guys. And cantik sekali ganteng. So I can find some unis. Mencari unis, so ganteng. So Jack, bantu saya lihat ganteng untuk unis.
Iya. Oke.
Saya mencari uni, okay?
Yes.
Alright, let's go, Jack. Help me become ganteng for the unis.
Cari uni Padang, ya.
Ya, saya mau uni Padang. Uni bisa masak saya rendang setiap hari, insyaallah. Kamu punya istriku?
Ya, udah.
Oh, berapa istriku?
Udah baru satu.
Oh, bagus.
Iya.
Bagus.
Gak boleh banyak-banyak.
Kamu berapa anak-anak?
Anak 2.
Anak 2?
Iya.
Oh, bagus. saya tidak punya anak-anak belum.
Karena belum kawin.
Saya mau istriku and then saya punya anak-anak.
Yes.
So kamu makan serandang setiap hari?
Iya, bisa kolesterol.
Wow, kolesterol.
Yeah.
Kolesterol bagus though.
Iya.
Mr. Jack. Yeah, guys, let's check out his hat. He's like a superstar, guys. He's like a superstar.
Iya.
Superstar Jack.
Internasional.
International Jack. Yeah, bagus Jack, bagus. So kamu istriku semasak kamu serandang or apa?
Rendang kerang.
Oh,
Seafood.
Seafood.
Yeah.
Oh, bagus,
Nggak daging, seafood.
Seafood
Yeah.
setiap hari.
Iya, rendang seafood.
And so check this out, guys. Like the canal is over there. Like the canal, the waterway is over there. And he's got the palm trees. It's a beautiful view in this barbershop and in the main road right here. But yeah, people are here every day, all day. It's like always full. So many customers here, guys, that come to Jack.
Yes.
Amazing, awesome barber, guys. Awesome barber. Hello, apa kabar? Semangat. Yes, you too. Siapa namamu?
Rico Pablo.
Oh, Pablo.
Pablo.
Oh, Pablo El Chapo.
Mister, what's your name?
Nama saya Austin.
Oh, Austin.
So kamu dari mana?
Dari tadi.
What? Apa?
Dari tadi katanya.
Tadi.
Iya, bukan.
Ambo orang gawas suku Jamba.
Oh, Jamba.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Bercanda. Ambo dari mana? Amerika. Yeah, Amerika. Bagus.
Nice to meet you, Mister.
Yes, bagus. Senang bertemu.
Okay.
Yeah, keren. Kamu famous na, yeah. Saya pergi Jakarta dan Bandung 2 bulan.
Yeah.
Then saya kembali di sini setelah hujan musim.
Oh.
Yeah.
Habis motong rambut kemarin langsung ke Bandung kemarin loh.
Yes, saya pergi di sana 2 bulan dan kemudian saya kembali di sini. Yeah. Cause the hujan musim gila.
Enggak pergi ke ini, ke apa nama Lubuk Pinturun, tempat banjir bandang kemarin.
Ya, saya mau pergi Bukit Tinggi tapi jalan-jalan putus.
Betul.
Ya, putus. So saya mau pergi Bukit Tinggi, Solo ke Batu Sangkar.
Iya.
Padang, but the jalan-jalan putus.
Iya, jalan
So
putus.
saya pergi Jakarta dan Bandung 2 bulan dan saya kembali di sini. Cause then the jalan-jalan buka.
Iya.
Yeah, this is my rencana.
Rencana ya betul.
Guys, my Indonesian's got so much better. My bahasa Indonesia bagus. Wow, man, I'm getting better.
Pesisir udah, ke pesisir.
Oh, no, saya kursus buku dan kursus and mantan pacar. Yes, mantan. Saya in Indonesia bagus atau tidak bagus?
Iya.
Bagus?
Bagus.
Yeah, bagus
Good,
guys.
good.
Yeah, bagus Indonesian. Guys, look at him. Though, looks like like a part of Rocky.
Yeah.
Have you ever watched Rocky?
Rocky ya.
Yeah, the movie.
Yeah.
Kamu as a lihat as a Rocky, as a Rocky coach, like the teacher, the guru.
Iya.
And kamu lihat him. Yeah, dia. Yeah, guys, don't he looks like us Rocky's teacher,
Cera.
Yeah, guru. There is no tomorrow. Kamu guru expert. Yeah, cantik. Ganteng bana.
Ganteng mana ya betul.
Hah?
Ulak karang namanya itu.
Hah?
Ulak karang, air tawar.
Saya tinggal di dekat sama Padang, Basco.
Iya, Basko.
Like di dekat kayu.
Oh,
Universitas.
Yeah.
Kampus.
Yeah. Di dekat di sana.
Yeah.
The UI
Tawar. Air tawar. Air tawar namanya daerah situ.
Oh, I hear. I
Air
hear.
tawar.
Yeah, that thing got. Yeah. Bagus. Apa kamu the favorite mu makan?
Hah?
Apa kamu favorite mu makan?
Iya, belum.
Belum. Wow, he's got
Yes, kayak
He's got the
bartender.
goods. He's got the.
Kayak bartender.
Wow,
Iya
he's
kan?
got
Kalau
the.
itu kan di gini tuh.
Woo!
Iya.
Just oh.
Iya, bartender kan?
Huh?
Bartender kan? Racik minuman.
Oh, bartender.
Yeah, bartender.
He's like a bartender. Bagus, bartender. Bartender. So now we're gonna get the shave. Let's go. Ayo, pergi gas pole.
Mr. Bean.
That's
Oh.
Mr. Bean. Yeah, yeah, Mr. Bean. Apa kabar, Bapak?
Nih.
Bagus.
RCTI oke.
Siapa namamu?
Ya. My name JT.
JT. Oh, JT. Senang bertemu.
Istri.
Tidak. Saya mau istriku. Saya mencari istriku di sini Uni.
Hari pengkian.
Saya mau ganteng Uni istriku.
Country dari mana? Daerah mana? Amerika.
Ambo orang Gawa, suku Jamba. Suku Jamba. I'm just kidding, bercanda. Ambo dari mana? Amerika. Yes, Amerika. Kamu dari mana, Bapak?
Dari Solo juga.
Solo.
Iya.
Oh, bagus. So kamu suku apa?
Ya campak.
Jamba. Oh, kita Jamba. Jamba.
Iya.
Jamba. We got 3 Jambas.
Jamba.
Kamu Jamba juga? Ampai.
Oh, Ampai.
So kamu dari mana?
Pesisir dia.
Selatan.
Oh, Monday. Saya punya mantan pacar di sana.
Iya.
Ya, si gila.
Siapa nama?
Has gilo. Mantan pacar. Ya, kamu punya istriku? Belum. Kenapa?
Belum. Masih kecil.
Find him girlfriend, guys. Find him girlfriend. He needs wife. Istriku. Kamu berapa istriku kamu punya?
Belum.
Tidak mau. Bagus. Alright, we're getting there, guys. I'm getting ganteng. That's ganteng for the unis.
Iya.
It's nice. Hello, apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Tuh.
Hello, semangat.
Si
Halo, anak-anak. Getting there, guys.
Ayo di Solo.
Getting there.
Ya sampai ya Bu,
Mas ganteng go to.
maafkan ya.
And now it's more funny. Man, I've got a cool mustache.
Geser belakang. Oh, pas. Oh, good.
Yes. Now we just have the mustache. Whoa, now we got the massage. Whoa.
Yes. Oh, geser belakang.
Bagus. Massage. Bagus. Ganteng. Jackie made me ganteng for unis. Yeah, there we go.
Semangat.
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 Right, cool. Bagus. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. That's crazy. Wow. Whoa, look at that, guys. Ganteng. Ganteng. Let's go. Ayo pergi Jack. Seberapa harga? Berapa harga? 20.
Yes.
Oh, 20.
Yes.
Berapa? Alright, so it's 20,000, which is 20. So 20,000, but we'll give him 50,000. Thanks, makasih Jack.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, okay, semangat.
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 It's a Rocky guru guy with the big hat.
Yeah.
Thanks Jack. Semangat, kamu membuat saya ganteng for the unis. Terima kasih Jack.
Yeah.
Alright guys, bye bye, and see you in the next one. Ayo pergi gaspo, and I'm ganteng for the unis. Let's go.